back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Charlie Minders in a 66. Green. Crown Vicar Rickers. Valentine's old cone car. Boom. Boom. Lord have mercy knows. Caution. It used to be a 1 at one time. Going green. You got mail, Billy. Green. Crown Vic's to light to kick some tires and light the fires. We're back on the way down into 1. Charlie and Zach Minders going at it. South Kakalakians going at it. Huh? South Kakalakians going at it down into 1. Ew, caution. We got a 2-car battle. Minders on the front straightaway going at it. Charlie and Zach. Four laps in, halfway in this time by. Halfway in, halfway to go. Charlie Minders rolling in that 66. Outside banging a cushion in the 66. Goes Charlie. Beautiful cloud coverage, by the way. Popsicle sticks that time by. Charlie Minders. Zach Minders second. Top 3 still the same. Coming down to the A+ signs, white flag. That time for Mr. Whalen. White flag for Charlie Minders. Zach got a handful of steering wheel right there in that that cone car. Wesley English Memorial Crown Vic winner going to go to Charlie Minders in the 66. Second going to go to Zach Minders in the cone machine and spun out 28 on the back straightaway. Thank y'all for coming out on a Sunday afternoon, putting up with us 2 days in a row, Saturday and Sunday. Look forward to seeing everybody back in 2026. Stay tuned to the Facebook page for all the details right here at Toccoa Raceway. Thank y'all for coming out. Thank you for cleaning up after yourself. My grounds crew, thank you. Trash cans are at the bottom and trash cans are at the top. Thank y'all for cleaning up after yourself. Y'all drive home safe on a Sunday afternoon. Actually, Sunday night now, actually. Sunday night-ish. Thank y'all for coming out, man. Thank y'all for spending your hard-earned money right here with us at Toccoa Raceway on a Sunday night. Thank you.
Mic check. Y'all give it up for Charlie Minders. Boy, I tell you what, you're going to have to tell everybody just where all you been. This is 3 nights in a row from what I hear.
Yeah, we went to Lakeview Friday night, ended up second there, and then went to Harris last night and won, and come out here today and got it done.
Well, we appreciate you coming there, and maybe this for next year, y'all have a bunch of them that come around for us.
Yeah, we usually try to bring as many as we can. It's a little harder to get everybody out Sunday, and we tore up quite a few of them last night, so I'm just glad they're giving us a chance to come out here, and we look forward to running here next year.
You better go ahead and thank your wife and all these people that helped you.
Oh, yeah, I definitely got to thank my wife because she she ain't too happy with me most days, but hey, I love her. I appreciate her to let me do what I do.
Yeah, she's got into the chicken raising business.
Yeah, she thinks she's a little homesteader.
Hey, congratulations, Charlie. Hope to see you again sometime soon, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.